wonder shall never end o. How person go put you for house, wetin you wan come take pay am back na for you to come write the person name, write your landlord name, write your landlady name, write the children name, and the good samaritan wey help you, you come write their name, come put wicked death. My people, things dey happen o. Make una come see boy wey wan kill landlord and landlady o, make wan kill full family for house. Wetin dey do you? E no let am talk. Dem no see the ending, dem no see the starting for im hand. Hello my amazing people, welcome back to Africa Blog. If today na your first time wey dey post for YouTube, you come jam this my YouTube channel, abeg make you press that red button, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload new video you go dey notified. And to my whole subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch my videos. And to my new subscribers, you are highly welcome. Abeg, if you dey see this video for my Facebook page, abeg make you follow my Facebook page for more updates. My people, things dey happen o. Na see this boy so wey somebody help for road based on say e dey sleep for street, e no get house for inside this school. Na the boy come say, okay, come over, Mogaya dey stay for my house, we gats dey pay house rent together, which all of us know say e dey happen for Europe. That one na clear issue. Na dey come dey stay o. So the boy wey help this guy so come him house, the boy come dey sick. They come carry am go hospital. For good 1 month, Italian doctor no see wetin dey do this boy. Na he come take come house. As he come house now, this man say, okay, he wan go greet him friend, he wan go greet him brother. Na he take comot. Na that boy say make he sweep house. Your man now say months when that boy spend for weeks when that boy spend for hospital. This boy so he no clean house. Then he say, okay, make he sweep house, make he clean house. As he raise on that chair, now he see name, now see the names, now the names with this. He write the landlord name, he write the landlady name, he write the children name. He can't write that same boy wey help am so. He can't write that boy name, he can't write wicked death. My people, wetin dey do am? Then he first post the first video. So now the boy now don come house. Now the landlord come dey ask am say, wetin dey do you wey you come write wicked death? Wetin e mean? The boy say e no mean no harm, the thing no mean anything. E just dey talk. Before this video start, they don first dege. The landlord and this boy don first dege. But that will not be the solution. Then the man come take call people, make dem come help am ask this boy so wetin he and the family do am. So after a lot of talk, then they come say make reverse the course back. He say okay, he go reverse the course back, but he no mean no harm. He dey pray for them. And your friend dey sick for 1 good month. You not tell am the solution of wetin he go do. You not give am the solution. After I don reverse the course, now you come write the name again. You come reverse the course. My people, the main place where I want make una hear, the main place where I want make una share this video. Now the ending of this video. After this boy don reverse the course back, he wan comot. Landlady still dey ask for 40 euro. Say because when the boy dey come, he no pay deposit. Madam, oga, 40 euro for deposit go bring you and your family back to life? People for the background say tell you say leave the 40 euro, no collect am, make you just carry a problem dey go. You still dey talk say he no pay deposit when he come, he no pay deposit when he come. You know people wey pay deposit wey no dey alive today. My people, I wan make una, because of that headline there, share this video, make this video go viral, make this video waka for many landlord and landladies. Oyibo wey get house, if you do anyhow for the house, you dey owe them money, they go still let you go. So family, you just comot for their house. But black, they no go see dream. Make I make this place clear to una, because I know say this thing I want to talk, say dey many landlord and landlady body. If tenant come rent your house, not say that you pursue am, if they misbehave or they bring casino to your house, he wan comot, he dey owe you money, the decision is yours whether you collect for your hand or not. So people the way they rent house 2 months for different places they go. That kind one, if he dey owe you money, if you wan collect am, the decision is yours. But not be this one, you be life and death matter. Madam, you see they draw 40 euro. 40 euro no go bring you come life. You are very wrong there. So my people, I want to account on that. And you where they find roommates. Some people they just like and we're roommates. Maybe Europe no easy. We all know. But who die? e no go dey this Europe again. Before you go put roommate for house, check am out, check the roommate house. You see get one girl that day now be say she and the friend don dey play for years. Wetin that one see? He write him friend name put for calabash. To even get friend now sef, it's better always you just off it dey that one room wey you rent, and you landlord and landlady, it's better you just put one person for your room. You just that one person na he dey there, but that person is not, you don't fit trust am. He or she is not trusted. It's better than because of €100 or €50 wey the person wan come hard on top, you wan come go use am take kill full family. Because we all know say one person for Europe here, especially Italy here, na 200 to 250. There are two people that 300 or 280, depends how the house be. But because of the small jara wey wan dey on top, you no fit use am take kill full family. See how now they draw €40, say e no pay for deposit when e dey come, make e bring the €40 come. €40 is nothing to your life. E even suppose say maybe you even dash the boy money. You understand? You go even dash the boy money, say you use am take buy your children, your family, your generation life for a hand, make carry wahala dey go. You no suppose make dey draw money, oga madam. So abeg, make una dey look person una put for house. And this message to men: if una wife dey talk to una, na too dey argue. Most of them dey argue. This woman tell your husband say this boy will come, so two of the spirit no agree. The man say abeg leave, I no mean anything. Oga, you know that na yes. You know that na yes. Now, wetin your wife talk now, na it can happen. Say this boy spirit no agree. You say may leave am. As here now, you don see the repercussion. So make una dey very careful. Make una help me share this video. If you see am for my YouTube channel, if you see am for my Facebook page, abeg make you help me share this video. For this video, for many landlord and landladies to see am, make them for know they wan put for house. Okay, those people they put people for house, make them for see am, make them for know they wan put for house. Thank you very much. I remain your humble girl, Africa Blog. Stay blessed till I come your way again. I love you guys. Bye bye.
Upon anybody, whoever that mean death for me, let death return to the person.
See, where the paper?
No, your property of candle. What if me go? Let me see that video. That surprise. Okay. If not be say you not really mean that for evil, why you not tell your roommate say? See, pray what you want to do na prayer.
Before I come here, I don't tell them God is my weakness. As I dey do them, God is my weakness. No, I tell.
So you dey do the prayer.
I dey see this. I dey pray with candle at times. I told him before I come here, God is my weakness.
So you can't write my wife's name. You never write. You not write your.
Your wife name you put.
My wife's name.
I even see Victor name for inside the paper.
You not write my. You not write wife name. My wife's name now you can't write. Can't they write my children? Is he right there? Victor. I'm not Victoria.
Okay, Victoria. Okay,
my wife's name.
Maybe because he born, I make I see that Victor.
Right, Victoria. I bought my children. So he said that. He write like that. Do they take black candle? Cover them.
Well, all of us know say black candle and colored candle not for if not be for good thing. But so now see white now. White now for see purity. Black candle now for evil. No good. My brother. You for tell your roommate. Okay, now you want reverse the prayer back. Okay, good like that. So that people will still shout. People will see they shout and they go sit down say, you don't see come reverse am o. Now so. What the names? What Amada, so you be the landlord?
See the debt when
now you come with the laugh, they say erosion that day.
See the debt when you write. Right, see my name, see the debt when I write. He said
okay, now your name big Ikena
Omogate. See my wife.
Who people dey? Your wife.
My wife.
Wickedness that
wickedness debt.
Why now? Why my brother? No good now. What do you want to explain for that debt? So that
why you can't write in name? Everybody write debt put.
Now that one with the thing. Now that one you go explain.
You write now. You write am by your right life put. You are beg. You right life. Then you go pray.
But the candle not complete. So now yellow candle and black candle that time we take do one. No, because still do one the same color. And you go write life.
Wait, listen to me.
Okay.
Black candle.
Okay, you know say black not good.
You know it's here.
Me, listen.
You see, you know, say black candle not good. You use to pray for people.
I
You are a
still
very
talk
wicked
if I
man.
mean death for somebody.
Where are you
for
from in
anybody.
Igbo land? Where are you from?
If I mean death for anybody, if I mean death for anybody, let death come to me. If I didn't mean death for
You
anybody,
just spoil Enugu name with that one. Enugu people, some of them
Pasikodo coronavirus roe distanciamento. Distanciamento sicurezza. Quando mo coronavirus meteme agbebe. Sika there is one. Okay, he want burn the candle now make it reverse the course, but breeze just dey blow. Una for carry something. No, breeze dey blow.
life or not a video.
Another video, my way laughing. Later I post.
Where the yellow? You know
no, white.
Give me the yellow.
I declare.
Give me the yellow.
Me what don't you can do if you no you no you have wear.
What those one are for evil. Those one are for evil.
No answer wetin we do. Landlady.
Hold it too.
Man, I will not forget it. Black
Okay.
Yeah, I declare half year.
I go I dey come and bros Lasiko done this name dey important. This name.
I declare.
I mean I show the name abeg. Show the name.
Sure and well.
Show the name.
I declare Oruwago Chide, Ike na Amadanzo, long life, Victoria, long life. As I light this candle, I declare long life. And I also declare that as this candle bear witness, if I mean death for anybody, let death return back to me. But if I don't mean death for anybody, whoever that lays accusation that I declare death upon them, let death.
Mama,
No. Continue. I declare.
No, don't interrupt him. Don't interrupt him. Let him pray.
I declare long life upon these names. So be it. In the name of God the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, I declare.
Amen.
I'll call.
No, wetin I do, wetin me and my husband, wetin we do you?
Why come out for Badare?
No, we wan ask you.
See, Mama.
Wetin we do
I've
you?
declared this thing, and so be it. God is my witness. If I declare death for anybody, let death return to me. But I also declare life upon your name. If I declare death, if I mean death for anybody, let that death return to me. People that are living, if I mean death for them, let death return. Son is my weakness. Let death return to me. But if I don't mean death for anybody, whoever that say I mean death for them, let death return to the person.
How is that wicked? No, not yet. Why?
If I also mean wickedness, I have declared.
Ken, you want show your face?
It's also mean wickedness.
This
This one na the death wey fair right o, because that video wey they fair do, they say they no see death. Na the death wey fair right na be this one so.
I said,
You want collect am?
sorry. If I mean that for somebody,
If you don't mean death for anybody,
if I mean that,
then I can't write death.
Yeah,
Will you be happy? Just tell me the truth. Will you be happy? If somebody writes your name, then you can't write death put. Then I can't burn black and yellow, white candle put. Will you be happy? Just say the truth.
just say the truth.
Say the truth and let the devil be at you. You will not be happy.
Okay, not the hand.
So why are you now saying if you don't meet death, let the devil be there?
Why you want to carry your property?
Now they talk. Now they tell her now.
Now
Say
they
where they
answer
go now.
now.
Say you won't go bring taxi. We will take carry the load.
Who you see? You go one of you go pa. Who you see? You go.
Oh, when I can hide because mama me a deposit was you wanna. They tell me a deposit.
What am go near here? What am go near? You go me here,
Mama,
You go me here. When na leave the money where it may. The money where it may leave am. You hear? The money where you dey hold them. Just forget am. No, mama, no. You just say, wait, no, not do like that. No. Obviously, all of us across for some way now. Leave am. What knock here? This one me go see. I don't know 40 euro.
Oh, so no boy, oh, boy, my young boy, na, oh.